Today we're going to talk about how you can use Costus in a variety of ways in order to better your health and your wellness. Costus is a wonderful herb that's native to China and India, and it can be used in many ways. It's traditionally used for gastric ulcers, arthritis. It helps to normalize and strengthen digestion, and it helps with skin healing as well. And usually in general, it helps in cleansing the body of toxic accumulations. It enhances fertility, increases vitality. Is it really important? One of the easiest ways to use it is to put a teaspoon of grinded Costus root powder in a cup of boiling water and steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. After the time is up, you're going to strain it, and you can be able to sweeten with honey as well, or you can use whatever sweetener is suitable for you, and you drink a cup of it a day. Now, it's important to take precaution because it can lower blood pressure, and always consult with your healthcare professional before using it if you are taking regular medication. Do not use if you are pregnant, if you are nursing, and do not give to children in tea form. So as I said, one of the best ways to use it and easiest ways to use it is to mix the Costus root powder in a glass of water and drink. Another way to use it is to make your own Costus oil, Costus infused oil. So you can mix the Costus, you can grind it up, mix it in olive oil or whatever carrier oil you're comfortable with, and you put it in a clean sterilized jar for about 15 days. You shake once a day, and then after that you have a Costus infused oil. You're going to strain it, and you could be able to use that as a wonderful massage oil, as an ointment. Just simply add in some beeswax on a double boiler, and you can use it as an ointment for many of the massages. Beautiful for joint pain, for inflammation, and for muscle relief as well. Alternatively, in the Middle East also, you can use the Costus as incense, and this really is believed to give a wonderful aroma as well as disinfect the body and the clothing. Now, another way that's traditionally used is to mix the Costus with the honey. That way you get Costus infused honey, and another way is to take a bath with the Costus because it's believed to help with ridding the bacteria and the microbes that are attached to the same body in the most difficult places, spiritual wise. Now, usually Costus root is used for anything to do with the respiratory system, also used for asthma and throat inflammation as well.